Today, I'm going to show you how to attach a lobster clasp to a chain. These repairs can be quick and easy if you have our Stuller Bench Kits. Let's take a look at the tools you'll need. Lobster Clasp Kit, Jump Ring Kit, cutters, needle nose pliers, flat nose pliers, tweezers, micro torch, third arm, soldering board, solder, soldering pick, flux, boric acid and alcohol solution. Now we're going to remove this clasp from the chain and attach the lobster clasp to the tag using a jump ring. Okay, I'm going to remove this side of the chain from the clasp and then cut the clasp off. Here I'm going to connect the tag and the clasp using the jump ring. Then I'm going to align the ends of the jump ring closed. While you are twisting to close the jump ring, you want to make sure you keep the circular shape. You may need to use your pliers to apply some pressure to the top and bottom to maintain the shape. I'm going to add some boric acid and alcohol solution. This will coat and protect the metal from oxidation during the heating process. Next, I'll select my solder, which is an easy solder. We're using easy solder because it has a lower flow point, so we don't run the risk of melting our components. You want the solder to flow before the rest of the piece would melt. We're going to burn away the alcohol in this solution. We'll heat this up a bit and add some flux. You'll notice I'm glazing the flame over the piece. You want to avoid hitting it with prolonged up-close exposure with a direct flame. I'm going to toss this into the pickle pot just to clean off any residue. Check your solder to make sure none of the pieces are fused together. You want all your pieces to move freely and have full articulation. The bench kits are assortments of the most frequently used findings by bench jewelers. We build them to help bench jewelers stay stocked, organized, and ready for any project or repair that they are working on. Depending on the kit that you choose, there are many different qualities, sizes, and product assortments available.